Top 5 apps to earn quick cash in 2024. In today's digital age, making money from your smartphone isn't just a dream, it's a viable reality. Imagine turning your spare moments into cash, whether you're waiting in line, relaxing at home, or commuting to work. Thanks to a plethora of innovative apps, earning extra income has never been easier. From sharing your opinions to getting cash back on everyday purchases, these apps offer diverse opportunities to bolster your wallet with minimal effort. Let's explore 5 of the easiest earning apps you must try in 2024, each promising quick rewards and seamless user experiences. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Swagbucks. In the realm of apps designed to help you earn money effortlessly, Swagbucks stands out as a versatile and user-friendly platform. Founded on the principle of rewarding users for everyday activities, Swagbucks offers multiple avenues to accumulate points, known as SB, which can be redeemed for cash via PayPal or gift cards from popular retailers. One of Swagbucks' primary attractions is its wide range of earning opportunities. Users can earn SB by completing surveys tailored to their demographics and interests, watching entertaining videos across various genres, or simply browsing the web through Swagbucks' search engine. Additionally, cashback offers on online shopping through Swagbucks partner stores provide another lucrative avenue for earning SB. The app's interface is intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate and participate in different earning activities seamlessly. Regular promotions, bonuses, and daily goals incentivize consistent engagement, ensuring that users can steadily accumulate SB over time. Swagbucks' reliability and transparency in redeeming rewards further enhance its appeal among users seeking quick and reliable methods to earn extra income in 2024. In summary, Swagbucks remains a top choice for those looking to monetize their spare time effectively, offering a blend of simplicity, variety, and reliability in the pursuit of earning money through mobile apps. Number 2. Rakuten. Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates, is a leading cashback app that allows users to earn money on purchases made through its platform. With a straightforward approach to saving money, Rakuten partners with thousands of retailers, offering cashback incentives that range from 1% to as high as 10% or more on purchases. This makes it a valuable tool for anyone looking to earn money back on their everyday shopping habits. Using Rakuten is simple. After signing up and installing the app or browser extension, users can browse through Rakuten's list of partner stores. When they make a purchase through Rakuten at any of these retailers, they receive a percentage of their purchase amount back in cash. Payments are made quarterly via PayPal or a check, making it convenient for users to accumulate savings over time. The app's user-friendly interface and reliable cashback tracking system enhance its appeal, ensuring that users can easily monitor their earnings and savings. With regular promotional offers and bonuses, Rakuten incentivizes consistent usage, making it an effective tool for earning money effortlessly in 2024. Whether you're shopping for groceries, clothing, electronics, or travel accommodations, Rakuten offers a practical way to earn cash back and maximize savings with minimal effort. Number 3. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a popular app for earning money by sharing your opinions through surveys. It offers users a straightforward way to make extra cash in 2024 by participating in surveys on various topics, ranging from consumer products to current trends in public opinion. To get started with Survey Junkie, users create a profile and provide basic demographic information. The app then matches them with relevant surveys based on their profile, ensuring a personalized experience. Surveys typically range in length and complexity, with shorter surveys offering quick earnings and longer ones providing more substantial rewards. Users accumulate points for each completed survey, with points redeemable for cash via PayPal or e-gift cards from popular retailers. Survey Junkie's interface is user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation and participation in surveys directly from a smartphone or tablet. Regular survey invitations and updates keep users engaged, while transparency in earnings and reward options adds to its reliability. For those looking to monetize their spare time or share their opinions on products and services, Survey Junkie offers a convenient and rewarding option to earn money fast in 2024. Number 4. Ibotta. Ibotta is a must-try app for anyone looking to earn money fast in 2024 through cashback on everyday purchases. It revolutionizes the shopping experience by offering users rebates on groceries, apparel, electronics, and more, both in-store and online. Using Ibotta is straightforward. Users browse offers on the app, which range from cashback on specific products to general categories like any brand items or any receipt. After shopping, users scan their receipts or link their loyalty cards to automatically earn cashback. This earned cashback accumulates in their Ibotta account and can be withdrawn via PayPal, Venmo, or redeemed for gift cards from popular retailers. What sets Ibotta apart is its extensive partner network, encompassing major retailers and brands, ensuring users have plenty of opportunities to earn rewards on their purchases. The app also features bonuses for completing certain tasks or achieving specific goals, enhancing earning potential. Ibotta's user-friendly interface, reliable cashback tracking, and regular promotional offers make it a valuable tool for those seeking to maximize savings and earn money effortlessly in 2024. Whether you're grocery shopping or shopping online, Ibotta offers a practical way to turn your purchases into cashback rewards with minimal effort. Number 5. Acorns. Acorns stands out among the easiest earning apps of 2024 as a seamless tool for growing savings and investments effortlessly. It operates on a unique principle by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the spare change into diversified exchange-traded funds. To start using Acorns, simply link your debit or credit cards to the app. Acorns then automatically rounds up each purchase made with these linked cards to the nearest dollar and invests the rounded up amount in a portfolio of ETFs tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. This micro-investing approach allows you to build a diversified investment portfolio over time, even if you don't have large sums of money to invest up front. In addition to round-up investments, Acorns offers features like recurring investments, where you can set up regular contributions to your Acorns account, boosting your savings and investments consistently. The app also provides educational resources and tools to help you learn more about investing and financial planning. With its user-friendly interface, automated investing capabilities, and focus on long-term wealth accumulation, Acorns is an excellent choice for individuals looking to passively grow their money while managing their everyday expenses. Whether you're new to investing or looking to automate your savings, Acorns makes it easy to start investing and building towards your financial future. Thanks for watching. Today, we explored 5 of the easiest earning apps you must try to make money fast in 2024. From Swagbucks for earning rewards by completing simple tasks, to Rakuten for cashback on your everyday purchases, Survey Junkie for sharing your opinions, Ibotta for getting cashback on groceries and more, and Acorns for effortless micro-investing with spare change. These apps offer diverse ways to boost your income or savings effortlessly. Which app are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money and managing finances. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore even more ways to earn and save money smartly. Until next time, happy earning!